Good evening, everyone. So, um, today I want to talk about generating the emotions, how you can go about generating the emotions. I think in the last video I have covered basically that emotions is the medium of communication between your conscious mind as well as some subconscious mind, but so you can't generate the emotion purposefully every time, right? So I gave some example based on your basically whenever you have cut on your hand or you got burned, so that's where your emotion get generated. Another way of generating emotions can be affirmations and maybe auto suggestions. So might be now you guys have some question on it. Basically, what is this something new thing, affirmations and auto suggestions, right? And how do we implement it to generate the emotions? So when I'm talking about affirmations is basically this is something which we use some language or some words in present, so that because your conscious mind understand everything in present tense, it understand everything in present, so your conscious mind never understand anything in past or future. It just present, everything is present for your conscious mind. And that's where whenever we are using affirmation, so let's say for example, if you have affirmation about your health, you say I am very healthy, I am growing rich, I am growing wealthy. So these kind of affirmations. So if you see I am, your conscious mind understand, oh, we are talking about today, not about past or not about future. And that's the tricky thing. And when you use this affirmation again and again, so your conscious mind start accepting it and start generating some of the emotion, not complete emotions. Okay, so it's a kind of catalyst which you can use to generate your emotions. Another way of doing it, or not another way, basically these two things goes in hand actually. So your affirmation as well auto suggestion. So auto suggestion is basically talking to yourself positively, not negatively. So talking to you always positive. Oh, I am completing it, I am doing it, I am just finish it, right? So basically those kind of, so you are giving positive energy to yourself. And that's where when it becomes a habit of you using affirmation or auto suggestion in day-to-day life, or in basically moment whenever you have some kind of situation, so it will become a habit. And another thing you are already doing, right? And, which I talk about that for generating the emotions, and you can use utility as well. I gave very good example of your car. So one way is thinking this is a tool or this is a machine. Another way of thinking this is that this is very helpful and you always appreciate thanks to it, right? So that's the another way of saying it. So I just want to close this video here. Thank you guys, thank you, see you in next video.